Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I uploaded. I've been really preoccupied with work, and then my detailing business is starting to take off, so I've been super busy lately. But it has been raining today, but I see there's been a break in the rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys for a spin in the SC300. For you guys that don't follow me on Instagram, I went from an eBay turbo to a Borgwarner, and the Borgwarner is a S363, and it's a night and day difference between the two turbos. The eBay turbo kind of spooled earlier, but it didn't really pack a punch. This one spools later, but it's almost uncontrollably violent when it, gets in a boost. So I figured today I'll take you guys for a spin. Alright, I'm going to show you guys this before it starts drizzling on me, but this is the Borgwarner. Compared to the last turbo, it's pretty huge, but there she is. So third gear is probably the hardest punching gear, but it's so laggy compared to what it was before. I have to make sure there's like a huge gap of space between me and the car ahead just because of how laggy it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.